So hi, my name is Airan, and I am a health coach specialized in nutrition. So before I attended this masterclass, I didn't really have a clue of where to start. I only started my business recently, like three months ago, and I really didn't have a clue about social media or how to use them in an effective way, what tools were available. So that's why I decided to join this course. This masterclass is going to dramatically change my business. I am now convinced about it, because throughout the 3 days we have been given so much insight about the power of social media, about how to articulate our campaigns, what tools we can be using, how to use these tools. So it's been really extremely valuable to me. The biggest thing that I have learned during this masterclass is how important it is to really know the market you are targeting, and how crucial it is to use the right tool and to have all this very specific knowledge to get results. So it came to me as a great bonus, the fact that we had Judy with us during the whole duration of the course, because Judy has got a huge amount of experience in copywriting, and he gave us a presentation that was extremely helpful on how to word our content to target the right types of clients, what steps to take, and that was invaluable and really came as a great bonus to the whole course. So I wouldn't have any hesitation at all in recommending this course to anybody, because out of all the courses I've been doing until now, I have to say this one is the one where I got the most value. And not just in terms of the content, which of course is super important, but also in terms of the attention, the personal attention we get from James all the time. And this really adds to make you feel really comfortable and get the most out of the course. So definitely I recommend this course. You will definitely get more income from doing it, and you will create a great network of people who are also on the same target as you. And yeah, it's an amazing course. I cannot recommend it enough.
Is there anything else you would like to add?
Well, the last thing I would like to add really is that this course is really personal. It's a small number of people, and from the registration time until the very last minute you leave the class, you feel really valued as a customer, and you feel you're in a very safe environment where you can ask all the questions you have. You know that you will get an answer. You know that James is really going to do everything he can to attend your concerns and to help you growing your business. And I must say, this is not something I have found in other courses I have done. So a massive thank you to James for being such a really genuine person who really wants to help his customers.